it's your girl Anastasia and welcome back to another girly video in this lovely channel. So I'm wearing my PJs for this video because it's a sit down video. We're gonna talk and chat. I'm gonna talk alone, but anyways, this video is gonna be about assumptions about me. My PJs are set from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna have a link down below so you can go and buy them. Like, just click the link and you're gonna be delivered to the item. So for this video, what I'm gonna do is answering your questions, your theories about me. So I had a story like assumptions about me for a YouTube video, and I have a lot of answers, to be honest. So I'm gonna answer all of them together with you. All of them, like some of them, because there are a lot. And yeah, and so assumptions like a theory of what other people believe about me, and I'm gonna answer if this is true or false, something like this. But it's not about only true or false, I'm gonna say why. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to have a notification every time I upload videos on this lovely channel. If you want, follow me on TikTok too for girly TikTok videos. And this video I'm gonna film it with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna have a link down below of the unboxing of this phone. I did an unboxing. It's brand new and I'm so excited of having this with me. If you want to see an unboxing of this iPhone, I'm gonna have a link down below so you can go and watch this video after this video. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. So I think let's get started. In the future, you want to move abroad, Paris perhaps. Also, keep up the great job. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna say your name. Maybe you don't want to, but thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. Like, if I have people like that supporting my back, I want to work more on YouTube because YouTube is really what I really love. And if I have someone like you to support me, you give me motivation to move on and make videos. But you know what, sometimes I'm feeling like if you have like the passion to do the videos, film them, edit them, and have fun, spend your time like that. If you like what you're doing, like me, my videos, this means the world to me. And I don't care if I have only 10 people watching my videos. It's still something that I love, and it's okay. I don't care. I'm doing it for me. Like, it's okay. So the question is, in the future you want to move abroad, Paris perhaps. So I love Paris, like especially after watching on Netflix the Emily in Paris. When I watched this series, I was like, wow, I need to go to Paris to work. Like, I don't care, because Emily in Paris obviously is looking very easy to go abroad, and it's not that easy. It's not that easy to make friends. It's not that easy to be socialized. It's not that easy, and the people are not that good as the film. It's not that easy to find best friends and boyfriends, and you know what I mean. It's not that easy. So I really loved Paris. It's one of my favorite cities, and if I had to choose between Paris or any other city to go for work, it was gonna be Paris and Dubai. I know it's a whole different thing. Dubai is more city, Paris is more like I love both. I can be both kind of girl, but Paris I think is more my vibe, more my style. Dubai is more like high, something else. I think Paris is more my vibe, and I really know Paris really well, so I can see myself moving like abroad to work. But this is not what I want to do, like, at least. So this is wrong. In the future you want to move abroad? No, this is not one of my dreams that I want to do. I love my city, I love traveling, I love Paris, but just for visiting, I think. If I have to choose, yeah, I'm gonna go to Paris. Yeah, you got the Paris, is right. YouTube is your dream job. Yes, yes, it's my dream job. YouTube is everything for me. YouTube is more than, I don't know, I love YouTube way too much. I love watching YouTube. I love filming YouTube. I have 20 planners about YouTube. I love everything about YouTube, and I put so much passion to this that I'm doing this. I think you can see how passionate I am with this, like with YouTube. And my future job is to be like something with social media, even if it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, I don't care. I really want to do something with social media. I love social media. I'm studying accounting and finance. That's way to the other side of this that I love. But what I'm going to do, I want to have like a degree of for something, but accounting and finance is not that I really love. I just want to have like a degree for university, for just in case. My first target is social media, is YouTube, especially YouTube. So I don't know how it's gonna end. I really want to go somewhere with YouTube, but I need your help, you guys. Like, I can't go anywhere without clicking the subscribe button. It's just this one. It's not that hard. With one click, it means nothing about you. It means the world to me. Like, literally, just a click. Just a click. It's free. Nothing else. Anyways, you have a boyfriend. Yeah, I have a boyfriend, and I love him so much. You want to be successful on YouTube? Yes, I just answered that. This is correct. Please subscribe. Your favorite color is pink. No. No, I hate pink. I hate pink. I hate pink. Ew. I'm kidding. Of course I love pink. That's more than correct. You're popular. No, I'm not popular. No, I'm not popular. Especially not popular. So, I love you, my best friend. I love you too. Your dream bag is never full white with pink interior. Yes, my dream bag. So I have this bag right now, the never full the canvas with the beige interior is amazing. This bag is amazing. But my dream bag is this one in Damier Azure with pink interior. Yes, is my dream bag. White with pink. Yes, it's very Barbie. How Barbie, oh my god. If I have this bag, I'm gonna be Barbie 100%. I love Barbie. Barbie is my idol. Don't say anything about Barbie. Your YouTube videos are great. What about a fashion haul? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much about that. Of course, one day, yeah, I'm gonna do that. You love pistachio macarons. Oh, they are my favorite. How do you know that? Yeah, pistachio is my favorite flavor. Like, wow. Pistachio, and then salted caramel, especially from lingerie. My favorite macaroons. In my country, we don't have lingerie. When I travel, I'm like, where's the lingerie? Where's the lingerie? So, you study accounting. Yeah, I'm studying accounting and finance. I just answered that. You know what my opinion is this. Like, you live in UK. No, I study in UK. I'm not living in UK. I'm studying accounting and finance. You dress up even to go to pharmacy and supermarket. Is that so obvious? Like, yes, of course, especially in quarantine. It was my only reason to dress up. I want to go to supermarket, you know. I need to put some makeup and wear my best outfit. Not you guys. No. So in quarantine, yeah, I was wearing good clothes even to go to do laundry. To supermarket, I really didn't care. But now that we're not in lockdown anymore, I can wear like pink tracksuits to go to the supermarket. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. You're never gonna see me, I think, with like tracksuits, so plain, boring tracksuit. There's gonna be something on them. Like, I can't. So your life is very extra. I think that's correct. That's really correct. I think I'm a very extra person. I really want to do everything like on point and dress up for no reason. Obsessed with lingerie. Yes, girl, I'm obsessed with lingerie, as you can see on my Instagram post. I'm obsessed with lingerie. You love Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite luxury brands. Like, it's my favorite. I have a Louis Vuitton wish list. I don't suggest you to go and watch this video because I was a mess. Like, I was a mess. My face, my hair, I was a mess. Nothing like what I am right now, but it's okay. I'm not gonna delete the video. It was a phase in my life. But the items on my Louis Vuitton wish list still the same. So yeah. You're a very tidy person. Yeah, that's true. I'm a very tidy person. I love everything to be on point. Like, I can't leave the house. If I have 10 minutes to get ready, 5 minutes is to just tidy my room and 5 minutes is to get ready. I can't just get out of my room and leave it like that. And when I come home to see my room like that, I'm gonna die. I can't. I don't care. I need to tidy my room and then I'm gonna leave the house. You love pink. Of course I love pink. One of your goals to be CEO on your company. Guys, this is true, but it's another chapter that I'm not gonna start it yet. I'm gonna wait. It's another chapter. I'm not gonna talk about that, but that's correct. I want to be CEO of my company. Of course, it's going to be with social media, but for now, you take inspirations from bloggers, YouTubers. Of course, I take inspirations from bloggers, YouTubers. I have ton of idols, ton of inspiration models. So guys, that's the assumptions that I answered for this video. Like or comment if you want a part 2. I'm gonna upload another assumption story on my Instagram that you can comment your assumption about me. Also follow me on Instagram for another Instagram question, so you have access to answer it and be part of this video. So I really like this video because it was with you. You helped me for this video and I like that. That was the video, you guys. I really hope you like this video. I'm gonna leave down below the link for my Victoria's Secret, for my Pretty Little Thing PJs. They are amazing, the quality. And follow me on Instagram to get part of other videos if you want, or follow me for my Instagram life to help me grow my goal and my dream come true. If you want, follow me on TikTok too for girly TikTok. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to have a notification every time I upload videos on this lovely channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all one by one and see you all in my next one.